Hey guys, I just want to make a short video in an attempt to explain some of the differences between the more energizing techniques available to you and the more calming techniques and when to use which. So we've already learned a few energizing techniques like priming, strong yogic breath, and fire breath, and also a few calming ones such as ujjayi breath and nadi shodhana. Typically, it's not a hard rule or anything, but we begin with the energizing breaths to open up the breathing system, because when we start breathing, we're not as deep in the awareness yet, and we're still kind of warming up to expanding our consciousness. So we use a kind of hard ones or the strong ones to almost shock the system and open it up a little bit. And then when we've reached that state of higher and more refined awareness, we can graduate. We can switch to the softer techniques to really play on the very subtle levels of awareness with the subtle, low, small details. And that's really what takes your meditation practice to the next level. It's not doing more and more hard breathing. It's actually when your breathing is so soft that you can almost not detect it, but you're still aware of it. That's what really fine-tunes your awareness. Typically, the morning is the best time for the strong breathings. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing the strong practices right before bed. It's not a bad thing, but it may cause some difficulty sleeping unless you draw the breath out longer. So anytime you want to modify something to be more relaxing, make the breath, the exhale specifically, longer. So typically when I put together a breathing session, I start with a strong technique and then I move on to a relaxing technique. I hope that explains a little bit, and I hope you're enjoying the course so far.